So, what you're going to take first is
glue.
Elmer's glue. You can see there. I don't know how much you put, so.
I'll tell you when to stop. It depends how much you want.
Right.
So you can keep
Right
going
there.
until you want.
Like right there, is that fine?
Yeah, and then you get your pencil, or whatever you're going to mix with. And you get also laundry detergent. So you gotta.
This is the one we're using. You can pick any one you want.
Well, I don't think it is gonna work on all of them, but you can like try it. It says on like on YouTube that you have to use Tide, but it works with OxoClean too.
Okay.
Okay, so now put a little bit of laundry detergent.
Okay. Well, this is a lot. Okay, you can't do it.
Okay, so you gotta like take it out a little bit to play with it. Okay, so you gotta get the slime out of the bottom. Like take it out.
At first, it will look like this, but it will turn out great.
Like this one.
Okay. Well, now what do you do?
Okay, so you just like take it out and like play with it for a little until like some of the laundry detergent gets out so it can like dry a little. So you just keep playing with it. And if this is messy, so like if
For
you have
you
to
girls.
change.
For you girls that do not like getting messy, this is not a good thing for you. Okay. So, I'm just going to continue doing this. And I'll be back. Okay, so now I am back, and this is what we got. It feels really good and squishy. Hold on, let me move this. Just push it there. Sorry for that. It's just slimy, and then like I can't ever get it.
And you gotta lay it out to like dry a little bit, or else there is gonna be left some laundry detergent and it's gonna be super slimy. So that's why you gotta play a little bit with this so it can like mix really well. Okay, so this is the other one that we made. It's still like mixing. That's why I'm playing with this. So that one's almost done.
Kinda. And it's like really slimy.
And if you make it little, you can't really stretch it that much. If you make it like big, like this one, like look, this one doesn't stretch that much. It just breaks.
Well, yeah, this was it. And we'll be back when it's all set and everything's done. So yeah.